Uh, Tajul, how long did it take to develop the Preve?
The Preve.
Yeah, from its inception, from the tua concept right up to.
Okay, I mean, from what we call as the model fix, or the styling model fix, it takes us about 24 months. 24 months to actually do the actual development. Of course, prior to that, there are various feasibility, and that takes also a couple of months more. Apart from the styling model fix to the actual production, is about 24 months.
24 months. And right now from the 24 months was the HPF hot press form.
Yeah.
Was it decided then that you'll be using that technology?
Yeah. I mean, it is a decision that we made in the early part of the project, during the construction of the project. That has always been the decision that we make, because we know what we need to achieve in terms of the structural integrity of the car, in terms of the weight of the car, in terms of the crash worthiness of the car. So it is a conscious decision that we make from the early concept of the car.
Yeah. Speaking about the crash worthiness of the car, I see that during the Proton Power of One that you had a few videos of simulated crash. Through that simulation, how many stars, NCAP stars, do you think?
I think as explained by Datuk this morning, that the so-called target that we want to move on is 5-star Australian NCAP. That is the so-called development and the target that the car has been put on.
Why Australia? Why not Europe or Japan?
No, I think what is important is in terms of, I mean, whether you go for Europe, whether you go for Japan, whether you go for Australia, what is most important is that to make sure that the car is able to deliver what it's supposed to deliver, and what is important is that it also is going to be a product that is going to be good for the customer. Now, in terms of the Euro NCAP, of course there are certain OEM that has gone for the Euro NCAP, but as you know, Euro NCAP is also going into a transition period, 2011, 2012. Yeah? So the clarity on the Australian NCAP is very clear, and it is something that we want to go in terms of the Australian NCAP.
Okay. Okay. Let's talk about the engine. You chosen to pair the Campro CFE with the 7-speed CVT. Is the CVT able to handle the amount of torque that's going to?
Yes, it is. Definitely, the answer is yes.
Why not go with the usual torque converter gearbox, or maybe a dual clutch gearbox instead?
Okay. Now, of course, there are various strategies that we have devised for the various products that we have in our stable, and there are also performance targets that we have to meet. There are also cost targets that we have to meet. And what is important is for that particular positioning of the car in terms of product, performance. We know and we believe that combination is the best combination, and that's the reason why that choice has been made.
Okay. And what about the differences between the IAFM has a 6-speed CVT, the CFE has a 7-speed CVT. What are the major differences? Why is there a 1-speed?
No, I mean, to me here, the CFE basically has a higher torque, and that has to match with the respective transmission. So that's the reason of the choice.
Okay. Can I know? Okay, yeah. Can I know what is the basic material of the engine? What is it made of? Is it all aluminium or is it a mixture of?
Yeah, it's still aluminium and iron cast.
Cast iron. Okay. Yeah, it's the CVT gearbox. I heard it's from a company called Punch.
CVT is from Punch, correct?
So it's not taken from the Inspira.
No, no. I mean, it is a development that we do in house, and also what is critical is the matching between the engine and the transmission is also done by us. And yeah, we know the capability of Punch in terms of their ability to produce a CVT, and that's the best choice that we have for the purpose intended, and also for the performance of the car.
Do you have any final thoughts about the Preve? Throughout all the years, different products in Proton, how do you see the Preve as compared to the current products that Proton has?
Okay. In product development, it is always a journey. And what is important in a journey is that you must be able to know where you're heading to, so that the vision and the direction is clear. That is what a journey is meant to be. If you don't have the direction and you don't know where you're heading, then to me it's not a journey. So it is a journey. So there's a specific purpose that we have taken onto this route. Now, compared to our early product is good, but we always want to be better. Somebody say, why don't you say best? Because better will always mean that if you are the best, you want also to be better than the best. So you always want to be better in this journey. Now, so that is the route or the route that we're taking for this development. Now, what is important is, as what Dr. explained earlier, this global car. Now, that global concept is not only inherited in the product itself, but first, as engineers and as designers, as stylists, as people who make the car, develop the car from scratch, you first have to believe that you can make a global product. Now, for you to have that belief, or for you to have that so-called strength in having the belief, you must have that ability. And if you don't have that ability, you will not be able to have that global product. So number one, to me, the whole process itself is not only generating a global product, but it has also managed to enhance and for us to move forward in our capability in developing a product to be competitive in the world. Because to me, if the culture is not global, you will not be able to produce a global product. I mean, if you are second rated, difficult for you to produce a first rated product. So that to me is also very important, because Preve is one of the products, and Proton is going to make more products. And you got to have something that you must sustain. That sustainability is with the people who is in the company, so that they can be able to produce one more global product after this. And that to me is very important. So, I mean, that's why I say it is a journey, and we know where we want to go in the journey. And as we move on, there will be challenges, but those challenges will have to be moved on. And that's part of what we are here for.
Okay, there we go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.